Good evening, sir. My name is Aditya Jaswal, roll number 24BEC008, and I made a project on light dark detector sensor. So, in this project, I have used a few basic electronic components to build a light and dark sensing circuit using the IC LN358. But basically, the most commonly used IC is 741, but at that time it was not available. First, the main component is one op amp, which is connected here, one op amp on the breadboard, which acts as a comparator. So its role is to compare two voltages and decide whether the output should be high or low. So according to that, it will give us the output. Next, I have used three fixed resistors of 10 kilo ohm. This one is 10 kilo ohm, this one and this one. Three 10 kilo ohm resistors. So these resistors are used to create a stable reference voltage and help in like proper voltage division for comparison. And also here I used this one. I also used one 620 ohm resistor which acts as a current limiting resistor to protect the LED from excessive current. क्योंकि otherwise LED चलेगी नहीं या तो खराब हो जाएगी. So there is one LED which serves as the output indicator showing whether the circuit detects light or darkness. And also another most important component is this one potentiometer. This is used to adjust the sensitivity of the circuit. Like यहाँ पे हमने LDR यूज़ किया है तो हम कितनी दूर से like कितनी रेंज हो, कितनी इसकी सेंसिटिविटी हो जिस पे ये LED ग्लो करे या किस पे ना करे, तो उसको सेट करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे पोटेंशियोमीटर का यूज़ किया है, बेसिकली उसकी सेंसिटिविटी को एडजस्ट करने के लिए. So in the end, finally I used one LDR, light dependent resistor. Basically this LDR is the sensing element of the circuit. Its resistance changes depending on the intensity of light, which allows the circuit to detect light and dark conditions. So basically यही बताएगा हमें कि कब ये ग्लो करेगी और कब नहीं करेगी. जब डार्क होगा हमारे अराउंड तो उस टाइम ये ग्लो करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए. सो इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि LDR is the most important component in this project. So let me show you this with a practical example. For that I have connected it to the battery, the input source, which will give the power. So here what happened, when I turned off the light, the surroundings became dark and the LED glows. When light is present, the LED turned off, so it works in both condition. So basically वही कर रहा है LDR का जो काम है. यहाँ पे जब मैं इस सेंसर को क्लोज कर रहा हूँ, मतलब ये कोई भी लाइट डिटेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, तो ये LED ग्लो कर रही है. और जब मैं इसको क्लोज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ओपन कर रहा हूँ, तो बेसिकली इसके ऊपर लाइट फॉल कर रही है, तो LED ग्लो नहीं कर रही है. तो बेसिकली जो काम सेंसर को करना चाहिए ये वही कर रहा है. So overall, this circuit uses simple components like an op amp, resistors, an LED, a potentiometer, and an LDR. So each playing a specific role in sensing and indicating light conditions. So now further, let's discuss the practical applications of this thing or this project. So if we talk about the real life applications, so it is used in automatic street lights where lights turn off at night and turn on at night and off during the day, helping save electricity. The same thing is happening in this circuit when I like इसको जब मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे इसके सेंसर के ऊपर डार्कनेस आ रही है, एंड व्हेन इसको मैं हटा रहा हूँ तो लाइट इसके ऊपर फॉल कर रही है और सेंसर वर्क कर रहा है, उसकी वजह से हमारी LED ग्लो कर रही है. Also, it can be used in home lighting systems for automatic control of outdoor or garden lights, and it is useful in security systems where lights can turn on automatically in darkness to improve safety and all. These all were the real life application of this project. So yeah, we can say that this circuit is very useful in automation and energy saving applications in real life. So this was my project. Thank you.